everybody, Chad here. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick fix. I'm going to show you really fast, if you're using OneDrive, how do you take a video off of OneDrive and upload it to YouTube? Okay, very simple. I mean, I don't know why. I've been watching a lot of videos on YouTube about this, and people show you such hard ways to do this, and they show you, they want you to download third-party software. I mean, maybe they get like a kickback from it or something like that, but you don't need to do any of that. Okay, so I'm going to show you really fast how to do it. It's super easy. It's not technical. It's a quick fix. I mean, I like super easy stuff, super quick fixes, not this complicated mumbo jumbo. So let's get rocked and rolling and jump onto the screen here. So with OneDrive really quick is I'm on YouTube right here, my YouTube page. So if you scroll down here, this video right here, I took right off OneDrive. So I already uploaded it, but I'm going to walk you through how to do it really fast. But OneDrive, some people get confused. OneDrive is kind of a cloud-based drive. So it's not so much connected to your C drive if you're running a Windows software. So it's a little bit confusing. So it's basically a cloud-based drive, meaning once you know your email password, I can access my OneDrive from any computer, any laptop. So that's why people use OneDrive. But now, when you save to OneDrive, it's really hard to get it over to YouTube. You think it's hard, but it's really not. So let me show you really fast. So here's my YouTube. Here's the video I just done. If you go down here to the bottom, this cloud right here, and I'll hover over it, maybe hover over it. This is my OneDrive right here. Let's click on it. So this is my OneDrive. So if I open my folder in OneDrive, I'll scoot this over. Now this is my OneDrive folder. Now if I go down, I can see these two videos that I just showed you on YouTube that I just downloaded. So I downloaded two because I was playing around with it, because I just updated my Windows computers. I was working off Mac, so I brought in some Windows computers just because it's nice. It's nice to have a mix and match. I mean, some software and some programs run way better on Windows based than Mac based. So I got both. So if you click on it, this I saved differently. So depending on how you saved it. So if you saved it in many files, or maybe you're running Camtasia, the video software, depending upon how it saved it for you, you might have a lot of files down here. All you're looking for is your MP4 file. So here's my MP4 file here. So with this MP4 file, I can drag anywhere I want to. Okay. But then also I did a second save. The second save, I did it more simple. Okay, I just saved it without all these extra files. So this one is on my M drive, or my OneDrive, not my M drive. And I can take this and drag it no matter anywhere I want to. So remember that. So now let's flip back over to YouTube. This is my YouTube channel. Let's go up to create, upload videos, and I'll delete this. But all you have to do from your OneDrive, once you open up your file, find your video, then drag it over to YouTube. Once you drag it over to YouTube, YouTube will do its thing. It will pop up. And look at this down here. It's uploading right down here. All you got to do is type in all your information. Now, you know how to do this from this point, I'm sure. So that's how easy it is. It's so simple. You don't need third-party software or a third-party program to help you navigate through this. Now, this is 2024, November 2024. I just bought this brand new. I'm running Windows 11. So this Windows 11 might be a little bit different from Windows 10. But all you have to do is open up your OneDrive over here. I'll do it one more time for you. It's your little cloud right down here. Click on it. I open my folder. Once I open a folder, it's right here. My two videos are down here. And then if you have a lot of files that comes up like this is my MP4. You can do the same thing with this file right here. I can drag it over into YouTube. Same way with this one. This one I just dragged over into YouTube. This is still uploading. Then I can just go through this real quick. Then I'm just going to delete this video because the video is already on there. So that way I don't have two videos going on. But that is it, my friends. Just finishing this up. Hit it private. That way you know that it's working. We're still checking your video. publish. And it's doing its thing with it's downloading. So right now it's uploaded by 50%. It takes 5 more minutes. If I close this, and then I showed you the video. This is the video I did fully updated right here, and it's perfect. There's no issues with it. But anyway, that's how you do it. Blessings to you. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll help you out. If not, love you guys, and I'll talk to you later.